In ancient China, regional kingdoms often battled northern nomadic tribes. To protect their lands, they began building defensive walls as early as the 7th century BCE. During the Warring States period, each kingdom, like Qi, Zhao, and Yan, constructed their own walls. These were isolated structures made of tamped earth and wood. In 221 BCE, Qin Shi Huang united China for the first time. To protect the empire from the Xiongnu in the north, he ordered the linking of various regional walls into one long northern barrier. Under brutal conditions, hundreds of thousands of workers, soldiers, peasants, and prisoners labored to build the early Great Wall using stone and rammed earth. Many died in the process. Legends say the wall was built with bones. While not literal, the suffering was immense. The wall became both a symbol of unity and a reminder of cruelty. Though many parts of the original Qin wall have disappeared, it laid the foundation for future dynasties to expand and fortify what would later become the Great Wall of China.